For today's video guys, kuya, wag suot. Oy, lucky kayo guys, pero bayad jud ko ha, char. Pero guys, ito sa matupis-tupis guys, kay kasal man itong gantuan, di man swimming no. So guys, tara. Tanawa, ni abot si Rigor. Oy, Rigor! Guwapo kay si Guwapa kay si Rigor. Oh, murag may sala. Oy, naabot ni si Oscar oh. Oscar! Kuya, wag suot ni Oscar oy. Isa pa ka ibi. Kapaan ni Oscar oy. Guwapa kayo oh. Hindi na papildi si Oscar guys. Kuya, kagsuot si Oscar oh. Nindot kayo, mahal kayo nakikilahan pagod na. Guys, pero naabot aning part guys, kamurag kaulano na jud. Niabot ning murag itom pa sa kung kuan ba kibot. Sige lang guys, pero padayon ta guys no. Padayon ra gihapon na sila guys. Dili jud na mapugnan ang pinagmahalay. Unsa na? Minahalay sa usa ka tao sa ulan. So padayon ta guys. So kani guys murampa na si Duna guys. Maminaw ra ta guys. Ay magkuan ta tanaw sa taning rampa ni Duna. Unsa ka lisod ba di ani mo over jud oy. No di jud alim no magsikag istorya kay para lang di maboring imong video. So padayon lang doon, pagdali doon. Kaya po ani imong rampa doon oy. Pagdali doon. Pas doon. No guys kani nga part guys makahilak pud baya dayta no. Magana magtan-aw tag mga inaani nga kuan kay ang kuan baka na makita kay mo nga nihilak pud sila. Nawa guys, diri guys makita nimo nga nihilak si Bimbo guys. Dara. Ana tulo na yang luha ani guys. So nagkuan siya panyo guys kay para ipuna sa iyang mata. Siyempre alang nga ulaw po kay tubig ipuna sa iyang mata. Siyempre panyo jud na. No. So padayon doon, dugay kay ka maabot doon, dugay kay doon. Padayon doon, pagdali doon, dugay kay doon. Gikapoy na kog istorya doon. Pero guys, kani nga part guys, maminaw na lang sa ta guys ha. Di na ta makimarites ha. Daghang salamat. God bless. Tara.
Bimbo, wear this ring as a sign of my unconditional love and fidelity.
I accept your ring with love.
Sana.
This array symbolizes sufficiency of material possessions. Bimbo, hold this array in your hands as you recite these words.
Dunami, I give you this Ari as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare and that our children.
Bimbo, I thank you and accept them with love and appreciation. I also accept the joys and as well as responsibilities of rearing a family with you.
Doname and Bimbo together, we pledge.
We pledge to everyone present here today that we survive to fulfill our marriage vow to be one heart and one soul from this day forward for better for worse, for richer, for poor, and sickness and ill health, until death do us part.
We have just witnessed the vows that Bimbo and Duname made to each other, and I, by the authority of the mayor, and calling on all those present here as witnesses, do hereby confirm the bond of marriage which these two individuals have just contracted. Let us now warmly welcome our newlywed couple, Bimbo and Duname. May I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Bimbo Dilion Tagarao.
Yay!
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Congrats!
And the most important part, you may now kiss each other. 1 second.
Yay!